How the brush works. Okay, let's select the brush. Now we can choose right here the thickness from the lowest thickness to the biggest thickness. So we see the project in 100%. And we go to the lowest thickness. That would looks like this. And we go to the second one and go on. The last one. Okay. So we have this thickness and we take again the thinnest one. We can take the zoom tool, zoom in 200%. We can also type in a zoom like 130. This is the thinnest brush with 100%. And now we have the thinnest brush with 130. And when we go on and take 200 and take again the thinnest brush, it will always get thinner the more you zoom in. And when you zoom out 80%, it will get thicker. Now we take 50%, then we can take 10%. The image will get smaller and the size of the brush will get bigger. So we go back to 100%. We were by 10% project size. Now we get back to 100% zoom. And we have a super thick line that is fat. This line's very smooth by the project. And if you want to have less smoothing, you can go under properties. Now it's on 50. You can go to 0 to 5 and now you get no smooth. So we also have shapes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 shapes. You can take a square, looks like this. We can take this. And also we have pressure sensitive. This button. Less, much less.